What up, good people? Today I'm going to teach you how to install footlights on your 2016 Hyundai Sonata. Let's get into this video. ArtOfSpeedd. First things first, you locate the fuse box. The fuse box is right underneath for the driver wheel. So it's in the footwell. Pop it off, and you look at what you want to put it on. Me personally, I put it on the power outlet 20A fuse. So that is like the cigarette lighter. So I ran my wire. I ran my wire underneath for the driver and the footwell. Once I did that, I ran my other wire in the passenger footwell. I combined both of them up. It is a nut right up in there. I think you see it. There's a nut right up in there. I'm trying to zoom in. Right there. That nut is my ground wire. So right now, the passenger side look a little ridiculous because I gotta get me some more sticky adhesive because of the sticky adhesive just not working for me. Because maybe it's because it's plastic. The other side is really stick. This side is not sticking at all. Like I just like zip tied some of them, but and then I put some tape on it, but I'm gonna redo it. But I just wanted to show you how it is on the other side. I ran that wire through here, so you give it a little tug and you can open a little bit up. Open it up a little bit, and then you can run that wire through there. Then once you're back on this side, I added a little wire to run through the fuse box up in there. That's where the fuse wire is at. That's where the fuse wire at. That's where I plugged it in, and voila, I have lights. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of the ArtOfSpeedd family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.